Hi, this is Carl. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I've got another Parkside Tools unboxing I'm going to go over with you today. This is the Parkside Cordless Reciprocating Saw. It is a 12 volt. Now I need to stress again, I've been getting a couple of comments. These Parkside tools are not meant to compete with a higher end tools such as the DeWalt, Bosch, Milwaukee. They're not meant to compete with those. They will compete with the Black & Deckers, the Ryobis, and that style tool. These are not meant for the everyday use, just for the average homeowner. So for that is the reason I'm going over these tools. This is probably my 15th Parkside tool review I've done. Anyway, let's go over this Parkside Reciprocating Cordless 12 volt saw. Let me readjust the camera. I'll be right back with you. Okay, here's the box itself. Parkside Cordless Reciprocating Saw, PAAS 12A1. Reciprocating battery. No, excuse me. Reading this upside down. Recharging battery, 12 volt lithium ion. Max cutting capacity in wood, 3 inches. Length of stroke, 3/4 inch. Saw blade mount, 1/2 inch. Includes accessories, one Swiss made wood saw blade, 6 inches. Here it states it takes 1 hour to charge from a dead battery to full capacity. 3-year warranty. Let's see what's on this side. Okay, this is basic stuff you see on these tools. Has a customer service number. Is sold by Lidl, L-I-D-L, which is a store that's very similar to an Aldi. Let's cut this thing open and see how she looks on the inside. Here we go. There we go. Throw that aside. It does still have the Ziploc tie on it right here. Proves I haven't opened this yet and already looked at it. Take that off. Okay, the case itself. Typical Parkside power tool case. Nice black plastic. Nice enclosures right here, clasping enclosures. Hinges on the back. You see the feet to stand up with like that. And on the side it has a picture of what's in the box. Some of the Parkside tools actually has it embossed, like the Parkside name right here, embossed on the side. This one just has the picture. Let's open this thing up right here. See what's on the inside. Here we go. Put my knife aside over here. On this side we have the owner's manual. Right here. Got a nice little compartment for it to stay. We have the recharging unit. Put it right here. We have one blade. We have the excuse me. We have the blade guard, and we have the tool itself. Let's go and take that off. What is this right here? This is the do's and don'ts of how to use a saw. It says do not use a saw without the blade guard. Basically that's what it says. And on this side it shows you how to mount the blade guard. So I'm going to put this over here with the owner's manual. Here's the tool itself. Nice comfortable grip. Very comfortable grip. Black rubber. Part of it's rubber, part of it's plastic. Handle. not very heavy at all. Very comfortable. A woman or a teenager should have no problem using this. Let's see, it has a button right here that is the lock for the off and on. So you want to push it, if you're holding it this way, you want to push it to the right, pull the trigger to operate. You'll see on the back right here, you push that over, pull the trigger. There's not a blade in it. You can see that is right here has a, it shows that it's fully charged. Here is the battery and a battery disconnect. Just squeeze these two batteries and it pops out. This is the same size battery that's in one of my Parkside drills, so that's good, interchangeable. This is the lock for the blade guard right here. Okay, here's the blade guard itself. Nicely made, not cheap at all. Feels real comfortable. And you'll see the teeth right here. We'll show what that's for later, but it's probably pretty self-explanatory. Without reading the directions, I'm going to see if I can put this in. Let's see here. It will go like... Here we go. It's going to... You see these two little slots right here. It's going to slide into there. Well, I said it would. I guess I need to read the instruction how to mount this thing. So let me do that, and I will get right back with you. Push it in this way. There you go. Pull it down. Unlock the lock button right here, this red button. Push it down all the way, and we are pretty secure. And now when you're cutting into a piece of wood, the deeper you go, the more this is going to angle up, allowing you to go deeper and deeper. I'll show you an example when we're actually cutting something. But, here we go. Now let's take the battery out. I'm going to put this blade in. Now it says this blade is for wood. It has a picture of looks like plywood and 2x4 as a picture. So, I'm going to take this blade guard off to show you how to mount the blade. Take that off. Now you'll see this red portion. It has like a little area where you can push and turn this. Get this a little bit closer. Right here. So you just push that over. You see the slot here. There we go. Want to push this locking mechanism over and push the blade in that slot until it goes all the way down, and it will lock into place once you let go of this blade lock. So that's how you install the blade. Take it out, just do the opposite way. Push this that way. Just pull the blade out. So let's go and put the blade guard back on here. Lock that into place real good. Let's put the blade back in. Push that little lever over. Push the blade in all the way, and it is locked into place. We have this installed. Let me put the battery in like this. There we go. Let's take this outside and use it. Let's see how this goes. go for an overall opinion on this thing. Lightweight, very easy to use, compact, comes with a nice case, rechargeable battery, which will charge in 60 minutes or less. I would say at least 50 minutes. Comfortable grip, nice thick plastic, has a blade guard, which is very easy to use. I think you can't go wrong with this. If I remember right, I paid under $30 for it at Lidl. Check it out, lidl.com. There'll be a store coming to you sometime in the near future. Can't go wrong with this. It'll make a great Christmas gift, great birthday gift. Like I said earlier, is not intended for the everyday use, but for the average homeowner, cutting down branches off trees or small pieces of wood for woodworking projects. Something like that is great. Do not compare this to a Bosch or a Makita or a Milwaukee or those higher end tools. Pretty good saw. I enjoy it. Nice tool. So for what it is, I would say I'd give this an 8 out of 10, maybe a 9 out of 10. My name's Carl. I do appreciate you being here with us today.